Hey guys, hear a lot of comments all the time about how beautiful our pool is and how awesome it is. And I am the pool operator here, but I cannot take full credit for it because we do have a state-of-the-art system that injects chlorine as well as sulfuric acid to keep our chlorine levels and our pH levels exactly right. We've also got a really awesome sand filter and a really awesome pump with all kinds of really awesome state-of-the-art stuff to keep our pool looking really, really good. And then we also test our waters 3 times a day to make sure all of our levels are exactly right. And we've always got chemicals on hand and ready to go to make for sure that every single day our guests have a great day at KOA in our awesome pool. Talk to you guys later.